Anthropic CEO Dario Amade just said that software engineering could be automated in the next 1 or 2 years. Now think about it for a second. This is one of the most aspirational job in the country. Lakhs of students in India enroll in colleges for this job role. Now, if coding alone won't save your career, what will? Let's find out in this video. In today's AI era, having a singular expertise is genuinely risky. And I'm not exaggerating here because it's obvious from the past AI development trends that anything that can be done on a computer can be fully or partially automated soon. So the traditional playbook that enroll in an engineering degree and then get a safe job might be getting obsolete. And you don't want to narrow yourself down to a singular skill which might get automated in the next 2 years. And the future careers might be more entrepreneurial than a specific job. Take any startup's example, let's say Zomato. It wasn't built by founders who were just great at coding. It was surely one of the components, but they also had to be great at product design, logistics, and most importantly, understanding human behavior. So having a broad understanding and using AI to increase your productivity might be an important skill in 2026. And this is the optimistic part. AI tools are getting really powerful, and if you can effectively use them, you can exponentially scale your output. 4 years ago, what took 10 developers to build, you can build it yourself using tools like Cloud Code. And the people who can pair this skill set along with good communication skills, network, and the understanding of human psychology might thrive in their careers. And this is where Rishihood University comes in, because they really think differently about college education. Most colleges in India ask you to pick one thing and go deep in it. But Rishihood does the opposite. Their BTech students don't just study coding alone. They have minor options in business, design, psychology, and public policy. Their philosophy is simple. While depth in a particular topic is important, but pairing it with diverse knowledge from different fields gives you the real edge. And Rishihood offers 4 years residential BTech in computer science and data science, where you start building projects useful in the real world from the semester 1. So instead of just cramming theory, by the time you graduate, you would have built end-to-end projects combining natural language processing, machine learning operations, and deep learning. And it doesn't stop there. You have 2 semester-long paid internship baked into the program. So you would have 12 months of real industry experience before you graduate. You don't need to scramble for internships. It's literally baked into the program. Now, since this is a new program and the first batch has not graduated yet, we don't have the final placement statistics. But we are already seeing early positive signals, like the students have cracked Google Summer of Code program. Students have landed internship in companies like Razorpay, and the university has already partnered with 100 recruiters. But as I mentioned, the role of a college is no longer just to provide you a job. It should provide you an environment to build technology on your own. And Rishihood actually functions like a startup incubator. Here are the key features that make me say this. First, $5 million makers fund by their venture studio. If you have an idea and a prototype, Rishihood ensures your startup gets the funding and the resources to get it to the later stages. It starts with an initial seed funding of rupees 1 lakh, and as you progress, you can get funding of up to $5 million along with mentorship at every step. Number 2, MacBook and premium tools. From the first day, every student gets a MacBook and access to premium tools like Adobe Creative Suite, traction for startup research, LinkedIn Learning, and Behance. Number 3 is global treks. Every year, students go to countries like Singapore, China, Japan, Israel for global study treks where you visit tech giants, interact with billion-dollar company founders, and get exposure to universities like Tsinghua. Number 4, you get a 10K funded DMAT account. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it helps you understand how to invest wisely. Most students don't have financial literacy, and with mentorship from financial experts from Motilal Oswal, you get first-hand experience of how the market works. Number 5 is rupees 1 lakh research grants. If you have a novel idea and want to pursue it academically, be it in AI, psychology, or any research intensive field, Rishihood has got you covered. Get rupees 1 lakh research funding to explore that idea, conduct studies, attend seminars, and enter competitions. And honestly, there are tons of program features left to be covered, but I'll leave the official link in description so you can go check it out for yourself. And the seats here are limited. It's a fully residential program and they're selective of who they bring in. So make sure you check out the program before the applications close. I want to end this by saying that you're not just choosing a degree that will collect dust on your shelf. You're choosing an environment that will help you shape the most impactful years of your life, which can define your career trajectory. So make that decision wisely, because the AI space is moving really quickly and you don't want to pick a career path that's already becoming obsolete. And that's it. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments, and bye.